Generator expressions, often called generator comprehensions, offer a concise way to create iterators in Python. Imagine them as lazy list comprehensions. Instead of eagerly generating all elements at once, they produce values one by one on demand. This characteristic makes them memory efficient, especially when dealing with large datasets. Let's break down the syntax. Generator expressions look remarkably similar to list comprehensions. They use parentheses instead of square brackets. Inside, you have an expression followed by a for clause, optionally accompanied by an if clause for filtering. Consider this example. This expression generates squares of numbers from 0 to 9, but it doesn't compute them immediately. It waits for you to request each value, making it incredibly efficient for large ranges. The key difference between generator expressions and list comprehensions lies in their output and memory handling. List comprehensions compute the entire sequence up front, storing it in memory as a list. Generator expressions, being lazy, calculate and yield one value at a time, significantly reducing memory footprint. Let's visualize this with an example. Suppose we want to find the sum of squares of even numbers from 1 to 1000. Using a list comprehension, we'd first generate a list of squares of all numbers, then filter for even squares, and finally calculate the sum. This involves storing many intermediate values. With a generator expression, we can streamline the process. This calculates the square of each even number and adds it to the sum on the fly, without storing intermediate lists. The memory efficiency of generator expressions shines when processing large datasets, infinite sequences, or when you only need to iterate once. They are particularly useful in scenarios where holding the entire dataset in memory is impractical or unnecessary. Consider processing a massive log file. Reading the entire file into memory is inefficient. Instead, use a generator expression to read and process each line on demand, minimizing memory usage. Similarly, when working with data streams or real-time data, generator expressions allow you to process information as it arrives without waiting for the entire stream to be available. Generator expressions embody Python's elegant and efficient design philosophy. They offer a powerful tool for writing concise and memory-efficient code, particularly when dealing with iterables and large datasets. By understanding when and how to leverage generator expressions, you unlock a higher level of Pythonic mastery, writing code that is not only faster, but also more elegant and scalable. So, embrace the power of lazy evaluation, and watch your Python code become leaner and meaner.